Mount Unzen, Unzen Dake, is an active volcanic group of several overlapping stratovolcanoes, near the city of Shimaburo, Nagasaki Prefecture, on the island of Kyushu, Japan's southernmost main island. In 1792, the collapse of one of its several lava domes triggered a megatsunami that killed 14,524 people in Japan's worst-ever volcanic-related disaster. The volcano was most recently active from 1990 to 1995, and a large eruption in 1991 generated a pyroclastic flow that killed 43 people, including 3 volcanologists. Currently its highest peaks are Fuji Dake, at 1,359 meters, 4,459 feet, and Heisei Shinzan, at 1,486 meters, 4,875 feet. The latter emerged during the eruptions of the early, eponymous Heisei era, 1989. Unzen Scientific Drilling Project, USDP. In 1999, an ambitious project began at Mount Unzen to drill deep inside the volcano and sample magma in the 1990 to 1995 eruption conduit. 6. The project hoped to shed light on some fundamental questions in volcanology, such as why magma repeatedly travels in the same conduits despite the solidification of magma in them at the end of each eruption, and how it can lose enough gas on its ascent to erupt effusively rather than explosively. Drilling began with test bores to assess the viability of a deep borehole. 2 holes were drilled, 750 meters, 2,460 feet, and 1,500 meters, 4,900 feet, deep, and cores taken from these holes were used to better determine Unzen's eruptive history. 1 further 350-meter, 1,150 feet, deep borehole was drilled to test the methods to be used in the final drilling project. The main drill began in 2003. Starting from the northern flank of the volcano with a 440 mm, 17-in, hole at an angle of 25 degrees from vertical. At greater depths, the direction of boring was tilted towards the conduit, reaching an angle of 75 degrees from vertical at a depth of 800 meters, 2,600 feet. Drilling reached 1,800 meters, 5,900 feet. The original target depth, without reaching the conduit, but in July 2004 at a depth of 1,995 meters, 6,545 feet, the conduit was finally reached. The vertical depth below the summit was 1,500 meters, 4,900 feet. The temperature at the conduit was about 155 degrees Celsius. 311 degrees Fahrenheit, much lower than pre-drill estimations of 500 degrees Celsius, 932 degrees Fahrenheit, and over. This was attributed to hydrothermal circulation accelerating the cooling of the magma over the 9 to 10 years since the end of the eruption.